Imagine savoring a gourmet meal while floating above Earth. In the 22nd century, microgravity culinary arts have transformed food preparation, flavor, and experience for astronauts and space tourists. Traditional cooking methods fail in zero gravity. Boiling, frying, and even chopping become impossible without gravity's help. Enter the revolutionary space kitchen. Magnetized utensils, 3D food printers, and sealed cooking chambers are standard tools. Chefs use ultrasonic knives to cut ingredients, while magnetic plates keep food grounded. Instead of open flames, induction heating and infrared light gently cook meals. Spices are delivered in vapor or gel form, enhancing taste without scattering particles. 3D printers assemble intricate dishes from nutrient-rich pastes, creating textures and flavors once thought impossible in orbit. Meals are designed not just for taste, but to boost mood and maintain health in the isolating vastness of space. Dining becomes a multi-sensory event, with floating food spheres and aroma pods. Microgravity kitchens are redefining what it means to cook and feast among the stars.